गाइस, साइड हसल का मतलब पहले होता था एक्स्ट्रा शिफ्ट या मेहनत, बट एआई हैज चेंज द वर्कफ्लो. Instead of spending days on a single project, we can now use technology to automate the most time-consuming manual steps. Today, I'm breaking down how you can use these tools to build a professional UGC service from scratch. Take a look at this. This looks like a creator reviewing a hair straightener, but this was built entirely with AI. We didn't need a camera, a model, or a studio to get this result. The reason this is a business is because of a specific problem. E-commerce brands and dropshippers need user-generated content, or UGC, to sell products on social media. But organizing a traditional shoot with a real model and crew is expensive and slow. By using AI, we can provide those brands with the videos they need in minutes instead of days. At a rate of 2000 rupees per ad, creating just 15 of these a month creates a scalable income stream. Here is exactly how to do it. Step 1 is finding your product. Head to a drop shipping marketplace like Reposo Cloud. For this demonstration, I'm selecting a trending purple hair straightener brush. Make sure to download the highest resolution product images available. The AI requires sharp visual data to accurately replicate the product's texture and lighting in the final video. To create our model, we'll use an AI tool called Nano Banana. We start with a simple text prompt, Indian girl getting ready to go out, generating our base human model. Next, we upload our product photo, prompting the AI to integrate the hair straightener into her hand, ensuring the grip and shadows look natural. Notice the difference. We started with a flat, isolated product shot. Now the AI has calculated the lighting and scale to make it look like a real physical interaction. Repeat this 2 more times. You want variety, so generate images for different settings, like a bedroom and a bathroom mirror, to give the final ad a dynamic feel. Just by using our laptop, we've secured professional-grade visual assets that would usually require a lighting crew and a hired model. Now we need the dialogue. For that, we use ChatGPT as our automated scriptwriter. A good ad addresses customer frustrations. We're asking ChatGPT to identify 3 common pain points with hair straighteners, and then draft a 20-second script positioning our product as the solution. The AI gives us a script that feels conversational and social media friendly, which is exactly what these brands are looking for. To keep the animation looking realistic, do not animate the whole script at once. Break it into 3 separate short lines. This avoids the robotic look of long, continuous AI lip syncing. For the animation, we move to a tool like Google VIL3. This handles the transition from static image to speaking video. The process is straightforward. Upload your first setting image, paste the first line of the script, and generate the clip. Repeat this for the second and third images with their corresponding script lines. By creating 3 separate clips, you can use jump cuts to move between different locations. This line-by-line assembly is key. Those jump cuts keep the viewer's attention and hide slight imperfections, resulting in an ad that looks professionally produced. Once the video is ready, you need to reach out to brand owners. Instead of waiting on freelance sites, contact D2C brands directly on social media. Send a direct message with a watermarked version of the video you just made. Offer it as a sample and pitch a monthly retainer to create a set of 10 ads for them. This approach works because you're providing value before asking for anything. When a brand owner sees their own product in a high-quality ad you've already built, the decision to hire you becomes much easier. Look at the final result again. In a few minutes, you've achieved accurate lip syncing and natural product placement that brands used to pay thousands for. But here is a reality check. Knowing which buttons to click is just the first step. To handle different products and changing client demands, you need a foundation in how these AI systems actually function. That is what turns a one-time gig into a reliable technical skill. This is why I recommend building your skills with Coursera's AI professional certificates. You get training from Google and Microsoft in fields like prompt engineering. You can start building those job-ready skills for just 799 rupees a month through the link in the description. You now have the full roadmap for a high-demand service. The tools are available, and the clients are waiting. Success now depends on you starting the work. I'll see you at the top.